हदीस सही बुखारी 961। ईद के दिन नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम खड़े हुए। पहले आपने नमाज पढ़ी, फिर खुतबा दिया। इससे फारिग होकर आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम औरतों की तरफ गए और उन्हें नसीहत की। आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम बिलाल रजी अल्लाह अन्हा के हाथ का सहारा लिए हुए थे और बिलाल रजी अल्लाह अन्हा ने अपना कपड़ा फैला रखा था। औरतें इसमें हैरात डाल रही थी। मैंने इस पर अता से पूछा, क्या इस ज़माने में भी आप इमाम पर यह हक समझते हैं कि नमाज से फारिग होने के बाद वो औरतों के पास आकर उन्हें नसीहत करे? उन्होंने फरमाया कि बेशक ये इन पर हक है, और सबब क्या जो वो ऐसा ना करें। Hadith Sahih Bukhari 961. Narrated Ibn Jurayj, Ata said, Jabir bin Abdullah said, the Prophet ﷺ went out on the day of Eid al-Fitr and offered the prayer before delivering the khutbah. Ata told me that during the early days of Ibn Az-Zubair, Ibn Abbas had sent a message to him telling him that the adhan for the Eid prayer was never pronounced in the lifetime of Allah's Messenger ﷺ, and khutbah used to be delivered after the prayer. Ata told me that Ibn Abbas and Jabir bin Abdullah had said there was no adhan for the prayer of Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Atta said, I heard Jabir ibn Abdullah saying the Prophet stood up and started with the prayer, and after it he delivered the khutbah. And when the Prophet ﷺ of Allah, peace be upon him, finished the khutbah, he went to the women and preached to them while he was leaning on Bilal's hand. Bilal was spreading his garment and the ladies were putting arms in it. I said to Atta, do you think it is incumbent upon an imam to go to the women and preach to them after finishing the prayer and khutbah? Atta said, no doubt it is incumbent on imams to do so. And why should they not do so? Subhanallah.